Today, I'm going to show you how to remove your chrome bumper on a Ford Maverick. This one is a 1971. It has a slim style bumper. There are bigger bumpers on the later years. I believe this will be the same for those, and then possibly for Mercury Comets. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, the first thing you're going to do is go ahead and pop your trunk. The bolts will be on the inside here. The 2 bolts you're going to need, or 4 bolts. You're going to have 2 on this side, this one, and this one here. Right there. And then on this side as well. I already removed these 2, and then the size will be an 11/16. And then the 11/16 I have is a 1/2 inch drive, but whatever drive you have works. Alright, so you got the 2 bolts here, got your 11/16 socket, and then go ahead and break these loose, and you can go ahead and start loosening them all the way out. You're going to have a bolt and washer. You're going to want to go ahead and save those. These are the holes in case you needed to see them for reference or anything. And then this is how the bracket looks like. We got these threaded tabs here. And then the bracket's bolted to the bumper with those 2 there. Same for this side. 2 tabs and then 2 bolts. And there you have it. And installation will be just removal of that. You probably need another set of hands to hold the bumper in place for you while you thread the bolts in. And just make sure that you reuse the same bolt and washer on all 4 bolts. And that's it, guys.